Hello my lovely people, welcome to my kitchen by Nana. A warm welcome to all the new subscribers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fry tilapia fish. Tilapia is a common type of fish here in Uganda. Enjoy cooking with me today. So this is how tilapia fish looks like. So I'm going to begin by washing the fish, especially the gills because they tend to be slimy. Make sure you wash them under running water because it helps the slimy things not to stick in the gills. Make sure you also wash the stomach very clean. So I'm making some incisions on the fish because I'm going to put the ingredients deep in the fish. I want the fish to be tasty when you eat it. I'm putting 2 incisions per side. For the ingredients, I'm going to be using black pepper and salt. I'm going to mix them together and then I rub them on the fish. Make sure you put the ingredients deep in the incisions because you want it to be very tasty. I eat my fish with fries, fresh tomatoes, or even salads. Please share with me down in the comment section what you like your fish with. Deep fried fish can make so many different fish recipes. For example, you can make fish curry from deep fried fish, and in case you have leftover deep fried fish, you can make any curries. For example, coconut milk deep fried fish curry. I've shared down below in the description box a link of how to prepare coconut milk fried fish. After putting the ingredients on the fish, I'm heating my pan and then I'll add oil to it after. Make sure the oil is very hot because if you put fish in oil that isn't ready, it's going to stick on your pan. When the oil is ready, you place in your fish very carefully and let it fry until it is golden brown. The fish is turning golden brown. I'm now going to flip it over and then fry for 5 minutes and it will be ready for eating. Now our fish is ready and it looks very yummy and delicious. You can have it with fries or boiled rice. Anything you prefer is very okay. If you've liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my kitchen by Nana. Leave a comment down below and also check the description box for the recipes and other links of fish recipes. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.